Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can zoom in and zoom out on Capcut PC. So first of all, what you have to do is you just have to drag your video into the timeline, and here you have to select the video. When you click on the video, you can get here a new properties kind of panel, and we can change a lot of things. We can play with a lot of settings, but what we want here is just to select the video tab here, and here we have the position and size, width, position, size, and we can zoom in and zoom out on zoom out, and we can do a couple other really awesome things. But let me show you how you can zoom in and zoom out. Now I want the zoom to start right at the beginning of this video, so just enable add this keyframe, and the zoom will start right at the beginning of the video, and I want to add a zoom right here. So now just use this scale and zoom in, and now you can grab the image or the video and position where you want, like this. And now you can see we have this zoom in, and now just drag your timeline little bit, and now we have to zoom out. If I move the video, you can see the new keyframe is added, and now what we want to do is zoom out, so just scale down again like this. Also reposition the video. You can also press and control and use the middle button on your keyboard, so you can zoom out and see the entire video. And now if you play the video, as you can see, first you have zoom in and then you have zoom out like this. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.